Hello, welcome to the virtual open house for this year for Jordan High School. My name is Mr. Larson, and I am teaching Algebra 1 and also something called Introduction to Applied Math this year. But this video is for my algebra classes. So I am part of the math department, obviously, also part of the ACE Academy, which is the pathway, which stands for Advanced Manufacturing, Construction, and Engineering. Our textbook this year is Big Ideas Math. Sometimes the kids might refer to it as just Big Ideas. So I wanted to give you a little bit of a tour right here of what it has. Also, this is where our homeworks are located. So to get there, you would go to the Long Beach Unified website, which you can see in the upper left here with this arrow, lbschools.net. And from there, a student will go to Students and then the Student LBUSD portal. They'll be asked to log in with their user ID and their password. And then they'll click on Big Ideas Learning. By now, everyone should, this is called the portal, by the way. And if something is not there, you can click on the magnifying glass here and start typing in the name, and it will come up. For example, Khan Academy is another thing that you might look up here. Once you log in to Big Ideas, there is a way you can look at the textbook online, and that's the Student Dynamic Ebook. That's under Resources. When you click on that, you'll have to select which book you want to look at among all the ones that you have access to. In this case, Algebra 1. And here's what a page might look like. We're currently doing Chapter 9. So on the top, you can see the page. Where I put some arrows, those are little video clips, and every single example has a video clip associated with it. To check for the assignments or homework, you would click on the tab for Assignments, and you can start them by clicking on Enter or Resume. So the tab for upcoming are things that have not been done, that are not due yet. Overdue would be things that are late and they have not been done. But if you want to see the ones that have been done, you would click on Reports. Now, to get extra help, go to the Canvas page, and you're going to see this click button for math help along with a button here that says Help on it. That will take you to this page. Now, this would be an online tutoring opportunity, kind of like our Zoom meets, but it's through Google Meet. So it's every day, Monday through Friday, 3 to 5 o'clock. Other options include calling in through the telephone Monday through Thursday, 4 to 6:30 p.m. Other ideas would be, of course, using Big Ideas, going to the Khan Academy through the student portal, or just doing searches on YouTube for what you might want to look up. So you might be wondering, can grades be raised? Yes, they can. Is it too late? No, it's not. What should a student be doing? They should be turning in late work. So make sure that there are no zeros on quizzes or tests. Students all know that quizzes and tests can be taken as many times as they want, and the highest score counts. But some students haven't taken quizzes at all. So that means they're stuck at a 0. Also, if you see any assignments that have a 5, that actually means that they haven't been done. So they can still do them and turn them in and get full credit. So is there a penalty for late work? No, you can still get full credit. Now, all work is due by the day of their final. So for block 3 through 8, these are my algebra classes. You can see when the dates are for the final. And that's the end of my presentation. So thank you for watching. Please contact me if you do have any questions.